Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your birth date in LinkedIn. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. Now, go to your profile. Here, get settings. Now, click on the first option, account preferences. Here on the profile information section, tap name, location and industry. Now your profile is opened. Here on the right, click on this edit icon. Now scroll down. Here there's the option of edit contact info. Click on it. Now in this birthday section below, here you can see this eye icon. Click on it. So to hide your birthday date, you should select only you option. Select this and hit save. So now this is the way how you hide your birthday date in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.